Here's a quirky tidbit from the past. In the early 1900s, a man named Charles Osborne set a world record for the longest hiccuping spree, which lasted a whopping 68 years. Yes, you heard that right, 68 years of hiccups. He started hiccuping in 1922 after a farming accident, and it's estimated he hiccuped about 20 times a minute for decades. Now, that's a persistent case of the giggles gone horribly wrong. He tried everything from home remedies to remedies that sounded like they were conjured by a wizard, but nothing worked. So if you ever think you're having a bad day, just remember poor Charles, who probably missed out on a lot of first dates and quiet movie nights. At least he had the ultimate icebreaker at parties. Hi, I'm Charles, and I've got hiccups.